Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JV'n's Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayoti Vidhyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are here to discuss the topic that is an overview of bioseparation. So this topic comes under the subject downstream processing. Okay, so in the earlier lectures we have studied about the downstream processing. That what is the downstream processing? So basically, it is the recovery of the product or the purification of the product from the broth, fermentation broth, or any other cells. So in the downstream processing, there are four steps. First one is the removal of the insolubles, then the product isolation, then the product purification, and the product polishing. So these were the four steps in the downstream processing we have studied. Next, we will study the bioseparation. So, what is the bioseparation? Actually, uh, it is by using the biotechnology. In the application of biotechnology, we produces the various types of genetically modified products uh, from the genetically modified organism, like the animals, like the GMO crops, or we can produce the byproducts or the enzymes or the hormones or any genetic material from the microbes. So the recovery of the products from the biological stuffs, like the microbes, the animal cells, the plant cells, known as the bioseparation. So byproducts are it may be the solid or it may be the liquid, and they are known for their chemical activity. Okay, like for example, the methanol is known for its solvent activity. The ethanol is known for its neurological activity or as a fuel. Likewise, the penicillin is a product from the microbes, and it is known for its antibacterial activity. So this list presented here suggests that the bioseparations must encompass a correspondingly wide variety of the product, so as well as purity, yield, and most importantly the activity requirements. So if a product have not the specific activity, that is not of any use. So while isolating or purification of the product from the biological systems, we have to take care about the activity. So its activity should not be lost. So the purification of byproducts by the bioseparation processes typically involves a long sequence of steps, and each step requires the use of one or more unit operations, such as the filtration, such as the extraction, such as the chromatography, such as drying. Okay, so these operations should be operated. So this lecture provides you an overview of bioseparation, and we will discuss. So the basic principle and theory of two key units operations are there. One is the filtration, and second is the chromatography. So developing a sequence of bioseparations means when we are going to bioseparate a biomolecule, first of all we have to write it down on a notebook. So we have to make a flow chart before starting. Flow chart or flow sheet. The development of a flow sheet for the recovery and purification of a biological product is a creative process. So many of the experienced engineers rely heavily on certain rules of thumb. or the heuristic, or putting together the skeleton of a recovery and purification process. Okay, so a few such of the heuristic include, first one is the remove the most plentiful impurity first. Means the impurities which are highly available in the product. So you should remove that type of impurities first. Then remove the easiest to remove impurities first. Means the second rule which can be used by various scientists, or the various technologies, that remove the impurity which is easy to remove first. Okay, so now the second next rule is make the most difficult and expensive separations in last. Okay, so most difficult and expensive separations in last. So selecting the process that makes use of greatest differences between the properties of the product and those of the impurities. So you have to choose the method which have greatest difference between the impurity and the solvent. Okay, hope you are satisfied with this detailed session, and we will continue in this topic in the next session. And if you have any query, please write in the comment box. And I uh, this session is powered by digital version 2 Jyoti Vidhyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.